The other one, which is also moving, but on the other side, is L&T. 5% move on, the largest infrastructure name in the country. That's a big one. Now, there are, of course, a couple of triggers. There's a large order which came through, about 30, 40 minutes back. There is that electrolyzer news as well, which has been commissioned. But beyond all of that, the big tailwind, of course, is the very strong investment growth, which the GDP numbers showed us, right? Gross fixed capital formation is the one which is doing all the heavy lifting as far as the economy is concerned. L&T is a big player in pretty much everything there. But Vivek is standing by with details. Vivek.
Well, you're absolutely right. So what's actually happened is that, like you mentioned, yesterday's figures are taken very positively in terms of what you just mentioned, in terms of the data coming through, along with that, the order win. But this particular development, in terms of the electrolyzer plant at Hazira is something that the street is taking quite positively. So what's actually happened? So, L&T has gone ahead and commissioned India's first indigenously built hydrogen electrolyzer at Hazira. This particular electrolyzer manufacturing actually has a power capacity of close to 1 megawatt, which is expandable up to 2 megawatt. The electrolyzer can produce up to 200 normal meter cube per hour, which is the unit that they use to go ahead and measure gas flow. So what does this particular move mean for L&T? And why is it being seen positively? Number one, the move enables product level integration as far as green hydrogen projects are concerned. Also allows L&T to go ahead and bid in global projects. Now, since this is indigenously built, it makes L&T's bids a lot more competitive, given the fact that prices will be something that they will be able to contain. Along with that, they can also bid, in domestic projects, especially in projects that are being planned by Indian refineries on a PPP basis. To give some context, this particular development foray was announced by L&T last year. They said that, they've gone ahead and tied up with a French company called McPhy for constructing these high-pressure alkaline electrolyzer plant. Along with that, they are making a gigafactory in France, and this is to be replicated in India. So that is what is happening right now. Along with that, all future technology upgrades by McPhy is going to be available to L&T on a service fee-based model. So positive development in terms of this particular, and along with the order wins that you're seeing.
Okay, all right, got that. Thank you very much for the details. Big move on L&T, indeed 4.5%.